has come and gone. We're gathered here to have some fun. Let's raise a glass to celebrate a special day, a special date. Happy birthday to you. May all your dreams come true. We're so glad you're in our lives. Let's make some unforgettable vibes.
Sana bigyan kayo ng Diyos na malakas na katawan, mahabang buhay. Charlene, Imelda, sana huwag kayong magkasakit. I love you. I love you, Charlene. I love you, Dang.
Hello, Charlene. Happy birthday. I love you. Hello, Dang. Happy birthday, sister. More blessing to come. I love you. Oh.
So, yun ma. Happy golden birthday po. Wish ko lang po na mas sumaba pa ang buhay ninyo para makasama pa namin kayo ng matagal-tagal ng mga kapatid ko. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sakripisyo niyo mula noon hanggang ngayon. Hindi niyo kami pinababayaan. Diyan pa rin kayo. Sobrang salamat po ma. Napaka-thankful at grateful ko kay Lord dahil binigay niya kayo sa amin bilang ina namin. Napaka-blessing niyo sa amin ma. Salamat po sa lahat-lahat. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. Sana maging masaya kayo sa birthday niyo at mas lalong humaba pa at lumakas pa kayo. Ganon. Kayo mag-alala ma. Darating din yung time na mabibigyan namin kayo ng apo ni Pam. Kaya magpalakas kayo para mas matagal pa ang buhay nyo, mas makasama nyo pa yung mga apo nyo sa amin. Yun lang. Wish you all the best ma. I love you so much ma. Happy birthday po ulit. God bless you always ma. I miss you. Thank you ma.
Hi, Tita Nina. May you stay forever young and beautiful the next 50 years. Happy birthday. Love you. God bless.
Happy birthday sa pinakamabait at pinakamaganda naming Tita Dang. Ngayon na nasa golden era na po kayo, I pray na pagpalain pa po kayo ni Lord ng good health, happiness, and all the blessings that you deserve. Sana po ay maramdaman ninyo ang pagmamahal ng pamilya at lahat ng taong nakapalibot po sa inyo today. Cheers to 50 years and happy birthday! Mag-enjoy po kayo! We love you! Bye-bye!
Happy birthday, Mama Dang! God bless you! More birthdays to come! Mama!
Happy 50th birthday, Ate Dang. Maraming salamat sa Panginoon for another life. And we all know 50 is just a number. You're very good looking at 50. And maraming salamat din for the love and the support that you showed to our family. And I wish you all the best. We pray for a good health and a wonderful life. We love you so much from Caballero family.
Hello po, Mami Imelda. Pagkakaalam ko, birthday niyo daw po. Sana man lang naimbitahan niyo kami dyan para magpunta kami dyan. Happy birthday sa'yo. Ito nga pala handa mo. Kami na po unang kumain.
Hello po, tapos Peter Curtis, and happy birthday kay Charlene Joy. Kaya naman ng Chicken Joy.
Hi, Charlene Joy. Sorry. Hi, Charlene Joy. Happy birthday sa'yo. God bless and take care.
Hi Charlene Joy, happy birthday advance sa'yo and good health, stay healthy, I love you.
Hello to the mommy and daughter duo, Mommy Imelda and Charlene Joy. I just want to greet you both a happy birthday. And of course, may your day be filled with love, laughter, and joy, and lots of greetings from your loved ones. Happy birthday to both of you, Mommy Imelda and Charlene Joy.
Hi, Mami Imelda. Happy birthday. And Charlene Joy, happy birthday din sa'yo. Happy birthday po sa inyong dalawa. Si Donita Nons po ito. I wish you all the best, both of you. Good health po sa'yo, Mami. Enjoy nyo po yung birthday nyo. And sana palagi po kayong happy. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po!
Ayan na.
Hi, Imelda and Charlene Joy. This is me, Chichi. Happiest birthday sa inyong dalawa. I wish you all the best. Stay healthy at mag-iingat po kayo palagi. God bless. Hope to see you soon. Love.